Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on Batman Arkham Knight PC. First, gather your controller and a suitable connection method, either a USB cable or a Bluetooth adapter for wireless play. Your computer needs working Bluetooth if you choose the wireless option. We will primarily use Steam's robust built-in tools for seamless integration, making this process straightforward for everyone so you can start playing quickly. Once your controller is connected, open the Steam application on your computer. Look for the Big Picture Mode icon, which resembles a rectangle with two arrows pointing inwards, usually located in the top right of the Steam window. Enter Big Picture Mode, then go to Settings and find Controller Settings. Here, you must check the box for PlayStation configuration support. This step is vital for Steam to properly detect and interpret your PlayStation 4 input. With PlayStation support enabled, go back to the Big Picture Mode library. Select Batman Arkham Knight from your list of games. If it is not there, add it as a non-Steam game first. Choose Manage Game, then navigate to Controller Options. Here, select Steam Input, where you can either apply an official layout or choose from many community-created configurations. Selecting a well-regarded layout will ensure optimal gameplay. After applying your desired layout, launch Batman Arkham Knight directly through Steam's Big Picture Mode. Once in the game, take a few moments to test all the controls, ensuring every button and joystick responds as expected. If you encounter any issues, like unresponsive inputs or incorrect mappings, try restarting your entire computer first. Sometimes, reinstalling the controller drivers can also resolve persistent problems, getting you back to saving Gotham quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.